If you don't believe in miracles, this message isn't for you. But if you do, listen closely. Today, as storms rage around you, remember that Jesus is in your boat. Love's about to calm your seas. Peace is coming. Open your heart and welcome it. This message reaching you isn't by chance. God meant it for you. Today's the last day of your turmoil as your longed-for calm approaches. The Lord has ordained your peace. Tonight, as you rest, Jesus will guide your dreams. You'll wake with renewed faith. Please share this with those facing storms. If not, don't worry. God loves you anyway and wants you to spread His comfort. Just as Jesus calmed the tempest, He'll quiet your fears. He's your anchor, your light, and your all-encompassing love. Trust in Him, for He commands even the wind and waves. Your storm will pass, and His peace will prevail. Rest in His presence, for He is always with you.